Hello, welcome to this presentation. After a brief overview, you will see how to set the maximum upload file size for self-service portal users. Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control self-service portal users can be granted permission to upload files to the software library. Such files could be virtual machine templates, assemblies, also known as virtual appliances, and others. It could be helpful to set the maximum file upload size large enough to accommodate most requests of self-service users to upload files. The privileges for changing the maximum upload file size belong to the superuser sysman. There are two approaches to changing the maximum upload file size. The first involves editing the Oracle Enterprise Manager web.xml file. If you take this approach, the Oracle Management System, OMS, must be restarted. The second approach is to use the emctl command line interface, or CLI, to make the change in the Oracle Enterprise Manager system. The OMS does not have to be restarted after making the change with the CLI. Because extending the maximum upload file size can also extend the amount of time it takes to upload the file, it might be necessary to change the maximum inactive time for the Oracle Enterprise Manager user interface. Use the CLI to change the maximum inactive time if necessary. If you change the max inactive time value, you must restart the OMS. Next, you see how to change the maximum upload file size with the emctl CLI, which does not require restarting the OMS. This terminal screen shows an SSH session started on an OMS server, which for this demonstration is named emhost. I'm logged in as the Oracle user because the Oracle user installed Oracle Enterprise Manager, and the CLI and supporting files belong to the Oracle user, although the execution of some commands requires the sysman password. The emctl CLI file is in the Oracle Enterprise Manager file system bin directory, which is u01 app em middleware bin on this system. Start by checking the uploaded file max disk space value. Enter the command emctl get property minus name, and then enclosed in quotes the full name of the value, oracle.emsdk.ui.trinidad.uploaded file max disk space. When prompted, enter the sysman password. The value returned is the total number of bytes in 2 gigabytes. Clear the screen. Recall the command and change the token get to set. Next, add to the command minus value 322.122.5.472. This is the total number of bytes in 3 gigabytes. Press enter. When prompted, enter the sysman password. Note that the value is accepted and the message lets you know that the OMS restart is not required. Clear the screen. You have just reviewed the essential concepts for changing the value for uploaded file maximum disk space, and you saw the Oracle Enterprise Manager CLI command for getting and setting this value. This ends the presentation. Thank you for watching.